The new student athlete tutorial for Chowan University and the ATS portal. As an athlete incoming at Chowan University, you will receive an email from the member of the sports medicine staff. This email will provide you with basic information and links to log in to use this system. It also provides contact information for the sports medicine staff if you need further assistance. You will start by clicking on the link here, chowan2 at atsusers.com, provides you the necessary information to log in for the first time. There will also be detailed PDF of instructions attached and links for these YouTube tutorials as well. So to get started, you're going to log in. So that link will take you to the login page. You will use new and new, all lowercase, and database ATS Chowan to log in the very first time. It'll ask you about cookies. You can consent and allow cookies. From there, you're in. You'll get these pages here with these cream yellow colored areas that are required to fill in. So how do we fill this in? This is a sample of one that's already got the general information filled in. You select your sport, put in your general information, your name, contacts, date of birth, address. Towards the bottom, you can even upload a photo here. You're going to create your own ID, so your own login moving forward. So where it says athlete ID, you put whatever your ID wants to be. It could be your student ID number, it could be your name, your email, something you can remember. You also get to select what your password is. So that information you enter there, and that'll be your login information moving forward. Make sure you scroll to the bottom, fill out any medical alerts, allergies, medication. From here, you go and click on the Insurance tab next. If you click the Save Athlete Information at the bottom, it won't get you far quite yet. So you need to go to the top, click on the Insurance. You're going to fill out as much insurance information that you have on what your health insurance provider is. So the name, PPO, HMO, put in the ID numbers, group numbers, information on who the policyholder is. Generally, this is a parent or guardian. Down here, there's sections where you can upload copies of your card. If you're having a difficult time getting a picture to upload, you can take a picture of the front and back of your card and you can email it to us and we can get it uploaded for you. But there is that section there. You're going to move on to your contacts. This is your emergency contact. So if something happens, this is who we need to contact. So fill in that information. Make sure all the areas highlighted in yellow are completed. So now we should be able to save our athlete information. Okay, so this is giving me an error. It says, hey, I need to correct this. So I can go in, I can make that correction, and we can move on. Alright, so now we can save again. And now we're saved in the system. So once you're saved in the system, you will notice that all these other tabs pop up across the top. So we're going to go into one that's already set up and take a look at what that looks like. Alright, so from here, you got different options. You have your medical history. You can go in, you can enter notes for previous medical issues you've had. There's one for screenings, tests, vaccinations. You do not need to enter anything here. There's one for immunizations and paperwork. If you would like, you can upload your immunizations or you may email them to us. This is a requirement for main campus, but not for athletics. We've already entered our insurance information. We have our emergency contact. So the main thing we're going to work on next is the Forms tab. So we're going to go to the Forms tab. This is where we're going to access, complete, sign, and save all the forms that we need to complete. So to access the forms, you're going to go to the Form Name drop-down menu. There's a bunch of forms here. It's about 17 of them altogether. So you click on the first one, and then to open the form, you click the new button. This allows the form to open. Majority of the forms are a lot of information for you to read and review with your parents. So you're going to read through all this information, and then you're going to have to sign and save the form. So in order to do this, click on the box that says I agree to use electronic records and signatures. Then you're going to sign your name. And then to save that signature, you will hit sign. If you are not yet 18, your parent or guardian will have to sign all of your forms. If you are 18 already, there's only 3 forms within the system that your parents will have to sign, regardless of age. So you've got your signature. Now we're going to hit save, and this will save our form. So it says save complete, and you actually get a confirmation email that your form is completed. So next, you're just going to move on down the list. You'll click on each of these forms, and then you'll hit new to save them. Some of the forms are just information. Some of them you actually have to fill in. So select a form that you're going to have to answer some questions for, so you can see what it looks like. Alright, so this is talking to you about nutritional supplements and medications. Are you taking any medications or any supplements? If you are, you hit yes. You fill in if you're taking vitamins, if you're taking insulin for diabetes, or if you're taking protein shakes. Fill out whatever you're taking to document that. And then you're going to go down further, read electronic signatures. You're going to save your signature, and then you're going to save your form. And you'll need to complete this for all forms here. So as a new student, the only forms you will not have to fill out are ones that say for returner only, or if you're not a sport that wears a helmet, so unless you play football or men's lacrosse, you don't need to fill that out. So you're going to fill out all these other forms, and they're going to save. Once they're saved into the system, you're good with your forms. The next tab over is called e-files. This is an area in which you can access copies of forms that you need for the doctors. You can access a copy of your new student athlete physical form. You can download the form here, print it off, take it to your physician, get it filled out. Also, when you bring that back, if you want to upload it to the system, you just click on this button here. It allows you to upload and save those documents to ATS. Otherwise, you can scan an email to a member of the athletic training staff, and we'll take it as well. But this is just a resource here to access additional forms you may need, or to upload additional documentation to this system. If you come across any issues, have any questions, any challenges, want to make sure that the documents are saving and uploading properly, please reach out to a member of our athletic training staff. Their information will be within that email that you receive. We will help you through any process and get you going in the right direction. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us, and we will provide assistance. Thanks, and hope this tutorial is helpful.